welcome to the second Math for Success video put on by Mary Schatz and myself, my colleague that works with me at Old Elementary School. Today I'm going to give her the floor. She has a question for me based on math fluency with multiplication facts. So I'm going to turn that over to her and let her ask me what she needs.
Okay, so Darlene led us in our staff meeting with this interesting article called 3 Steps to Mastering Multiplication Facts, written by Gina Kling and Jennifer Bay Williams. And what was really great in here was it kind of showed some different sequencing and strategies for teaching math facts, because one of the things that I had been pondering and reflecting on as we were getting back into assessment season. I mean, we're assessing all the time, of course, but you know, we're looking towards our March assessment. And one of the things traditionally we've done for assessing math fact fluency is just to be, one of the things we do is using a sheet with a variety of multiplication facts on it, and you know, you have a certain amount of time to complete it. And that was one of the things that we used to assess, do they know their math facts? And I'm just looking for other suggestions where we can maybe tackle it in a variety of different ways, because to me this isn't the only way we should be assessing our math facts. Got any brilliant ideas?
Well, I'll see what I can help you with. I do want to ask you though, Mary, though, do you feel that a time test is valid at some point for fluency?
Well, certainly when I'm thinking of some of my kids that I have this year, it's not a valid test, because they process at different speeds. They write at different speeds. I have a couple kids in my class this year who, you know, their fine motor skills are not awesome and they just don't write quickly. So, you know, just because they can't write quickly, does that mean that their math fact fluency is not as good if I'm timing them? I don't think so, because when you know, in our everyday math, they're good at, especially if it's done orally, they can answer those questions quickly and figure those things out in their head. I mean, it's not to say that I haven't given this type of a test for kids who I know can't write quickly, and I'll write it for them. I've done that, but I still think there should be other alternatives to that, because it's not the only thing that can assess that.
And why I'm asking that is because when we look at this, is this reflecting the outcomes in our curriculum?
Yeah. No.
So, because when,
Yeah, the quick answer is no. Right here.
Okay, what does your curriculum say?
So for grade 4,
what is the outcome?
it says demonstrate an understanding of multiplication, 2-digit, 3-digit. Okay, basic facts is, it just says describe and apply mental math strategies to determine basic multiplication facts 9 to 9 and related division facts. And then when it's talking about the 2 or 3 digit by 1 digit, we're using different personal strategies, estimating, applying distributive property, all of those things that I use when we're teaching, you know, the multiplication facts, but we're not assessing our fluency in a variety of different ways.
Well, your teen digit and your multi-digit is based on your basic facts.
Absolutely, yes.
So when you said, did it say using basic fact or strategies? Can you read that first one to me again?
Determine and apply mental math strategies, determine basic multiplication facts to 9 times 9.
So do they give an example?
No, not in this. This one is from our division website, and so it's the essential outcome, so it's probably taken a little bit shorter than what
right.
the Learn Alberta one is.
Because the whole reasoning for when the grade 3 provincial testing went out and our SLAs came in, the time facts went out.
Yes.
And there was a reason for it, and when you look at all the research again, they're saying that kids should not be penalized for time, and the understanding has to come first.